How to get paid from TikTok. If you want to get money from TikTok, there are some monetization methods that you can do. In my country, I can do some ways to get money from TikTok. To check it, just click on profile at the bottom right and then tap on triple line at the top right and go to creator tools at the top and scroll to monetization, and you can see some ways to get money from TikTok. You can use subscription. You must have live access and go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days and have at least 1,000 followers. And you can do another TikTok shop for creator. It means you can be an affiliate marketer on TikTok. Promote the product from seller and you can get some commission if the product sold. And TikTok shop for seller. This is for seller that have products to sell on TikTok. And work with artists. How do you work with artists? Pick a paid music task you're interested in and then create a video with that song and post it. The more likes, shares and views you get, the more you earn. To apply to work with artists, you must be at least 18 years old and have more than 1,000 followers and pass anti-cheating verification. Another way, you can live gifts. You do live stream on TikTok and you can get gifts from your followers. And the last is gaming incentive program. But there is no events yet. All upcoming and ongoing events will appear here. So just waiting an event and you can try to use gaming incentive program on TikTok. So that's all the tutorial on how to get paid from TikTok. Hopefully this is useful for you, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.